YouTube? D4G here, banging out another video. Hey man, hey, it feels good to be here, man. I don't know, I'm in a great mood, you know what I mean? It's a great day. I hope y'all are doing good as well. But anyway, hey, we got a first impression unboxing of Ebene Fume from Fragrance World. Hey, bro, I'm excited about this one, bro. I really am, fam. If you're one of my new subscribers, man, welcome. Over here on this side of YouTube, we like to make sure that you're looking good, smelling good, and feeling good through the art of fragrances. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, man, salute, fam. Hope everything is good with you. Hey, we ain't playing no games with this one. Now, this is the only one that I have from Fragrance World. So I'm very eager and excited to see, because they have a collection that looks just like the Tom Fords, just like the Maison Alhambras. So I'm eager to see how this is gonna play out. Now, I will say this. Presentation overall, if you look at this one, Maison Alhambra is a lot thicker, where the Fragrance World is not as big, bro. That's one of the first things I noticed when I picked this up. And then even the bottle itself is really not big, fam. The bottle is a nice size. It's a little bit smaller than what you get from Maison Alhambra. I'm rocking with this packaging, man. We got an 80 ml. Let's see what it smells like. Yeah, bro, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. This might be the one I'm most excited to try out of this whole collection, because I've been wanting to get Ebene Fume, but man, you just don't know, bro. You're gonna see. Great atomizer though. Oh, I love the way that shit was pushing out. All right, let's tap into it. Oh my God, bro. Hey, man, hey. This is it, bro. This is it. Oh, hold on. Give me a second, bro. Let me gain my composure real quick, because this is one of them ones. All right, man. I'm gonna keep it a stack, bro. First of all, we're gonna go over the notes in a second, but just this fragrance is phenomenal, bro. This shit is so nice, fam. I'm rocking with this heavy. Okay, so a couple of things I'm getting off rip. I'm getting a nice incense vibe. I'm getting a little bit of pepper. I'm getting some spice. I'm definitely getting woods. Like, one of the things I think that's in this is ebony wood. If that's what I'm picking up, you can already get that woodsy sense in the opening of this, fam. Like I said, incense, some black pepper, spice, some spicy pepper. But them woodsy notes, fam, you can pick up the woodsy notes off rip. Part of while I'm sitting here, it has a leather note in there as well. I'm pretty sure I'm picking up a little bit of leather, fam. Incense, pepper, leather, woods. Fam, this is nice, bro. This is nice. Off rip. I would wear this I could wear this fragrance all cold seasons, fall, winter. And the way it dialed down from the initial opening, because it's not as potent as it was in that initial opening. That initial opening was nice, but it down very nice. Like, bro, I can see this being a gentleman's type of fragrance. This one smells like one that I would have no problem wearing to work, because there isn't a really just extreme, like an extreme citrus, an extreme aquatic, an extreme iris. Like, it's not an extreme of one fragrance or one accord to where it kind of would piss somebody else in the office. Piss somebody off in the office. Like, it's not coming off like that. This is one that you can do cold months, date night. Bruh, I would even rock this shit casually, fam. This is very nice, bro. I'm telling you right now, just off of first impressions, this might be the best one, dog. This might be the best one, fam. I'm gonna give it some words, but for me, how I like fragrances, it has the incense vibe. So it got a little bit of smokiness about it. It has black pepper or some type of pepper. Very nice pepper in there. It has the leather. Y'all know how I feel about leather and woodsy notes. Bro, from the opening, fam, there's definitely like still woody. Still got a nice woody sense. The leather is still there. The spiciness kind of dialed down a little bit, but that ozonic freshness is definitely popping out a little bit more and mixing together with those woods as well as the leather. Hey, you know what, fam? On skin. This one have to go on skin. This one is skin worthy. This one is skin worthy. Hey, I think I'm gonna just start saying skin if a fragrance is worth the skin on the test, cause bro, the way this is coming off, fam. All right, on skin that bitch. Hey, I'm telling you right now, a little harsh, but I ain't gonna lie to you, but I gotta keep it a stack. On skin, that opening is a little harsh. Hold on, I wasn't expecting that. Shit damn near gave me a headache, boy. Okay. Now, when it's on skin, this is nice. I like this. When it's on skin, it's definitely more of an earthy wood on skin. When you spray this on skin, you get the earthy wood. You still get the black pepper, but not as much as when I sprayed it on the tester strip. That incense note, the incense is still popping in this, so that's nice. You know what? It's not that it's a earthy woody. It's just the woods and the leather are mixing together a lot more profoundly and on skin compared to what I did on the tester strip. This one nice, fam. I like it, man. I like it. I still feel the same way. The same way I felt on strip is the same way I felt on skin. The only difference was it was just a lot harsher in the opening on skin compared to what it was in the paper. Man, hey, just know this, fam. Gas or trash review will be on the way. This one, I might take my time and enjoy this one, fam. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. Cause Fragrance World, I ain't heard nothing about their fragrances getting discontinued. So, you know, we might have to look into this house. Cause I'm rocking with Ebene Fume, man. That was a nice one. yo, man, this is nice, bro. I'm rocking with Ebene Fume. Hey, that's gonna be the video, man. Let me know down in the comment section what y'all think. Do y'all have this one? And if you do, fam, and if you got a good amount of the Maison Alhambra Tom Ford clones, bro, where does this rank? Where does this rank, fam? It's in my top 3 right now. I can say that off rip. Well, with all that being said, we about to get up out of here. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square. Stay on your purpose. Don't let nobody take you off of it, fam. D4G, truly blessed. Destined for greatness. We out.